Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to enable the notification history log to recover accidentally swiped texts. Android permanently clears dismissed alerts from your drop-down tray, but turning on the system log saves a running 24-hour backup of every text, DM, and alert that hits your phone. First, open the Settings apps. Scroll down the main options menu list and click directly on Notifications. Click on Notifications History. If you are using Samsung phone, locate and click on the specific section block row explicitly labeled Advanced Settings. Find the configuration row option labeled Notification History and click on it. Click the primary toggle to turn it completely on. From this point forward, any alert or text you dismiss will automatically archive in chronological order directly inside this menu layout. To review your swiped texts later, simply return to this exact layout page and scroll down to inspect the recently dismissed or apps section block listings. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.